If I were starting from zero, no plans, no momentum, no clear direction, this is the very first thing I would do. I wouldn't rush. I wouldn't panic. I wouldn't try to fix everything at once. I'd stop and get honest with myself. Because starting from zero is really not about having nothing, or having clarity. I'd ask myself 3 simple questions. What's draining me? What do I keep avoiding? What do I actually want? Without explaining it to anyone else. Then I'd build one anchor habit. Not a full routine, not a 30-day challenge, just one thing I could do every single day, even on my worst day. Maybe that's writing 1 page, taking a 10-minute walk, drinking water before coffee, sitting in silence before checking my phone. Because when your life feels like it's at zero, consistency matters more than motivation. I also clean up my environment, physically and mentally. Let go of clutter, distance myself from conversations that keep me stuck in old versions of me. And most importantly, I stop waiting to feel ready. Zero isn't a failure point, it's a reset point. So if you're starting from zero too, don't rush the rebuild. Start with honesty. Anchor yourself with one small habit and trust that momentum comes after that first step, not before. Talk to yourself better. You're listening.